Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing bike maintenance. Pretty simple. We're going to air up the front tire and the back tire. Last time I rode it, it seemed very off. The front end was kind of dragging in the corner. So yeah, we're gonna air up the front tire, back tire, and then we're gonna drain the stock coolant out, flush it with water, and then put new coolant in. So then we'll be good to go. So yeah, have fun with the process and enjoy. Okay, so we took the skid plate off. We have it right here. The screws and everything. I'm gonna set that out of the way. Alright, watch me struggle get it on the stand because I don't like putting it on from the right side, but I'll get it. Okay, there we go. Alright, that's on. Now, okay, so we took the skid plate off. We have it right here. The screws and everything. I'm gonna set that out of the way. Alright, watch me struggle get it on the stand because I don't like putting it on from the right side, but I'll get it. Okay, there we go. Alright, that's on. Now, color down here. The reason why I took the skid plate off is that because we need to take this bolt off right here. And the flap on the skid plate that came out to actually protect our case would, when it would be done flowing out and draining, it would actually drip all over the skid plate. And if we can avoid that, let's do that. So make sure you get a rag right here. Set it down on the ground below somewhere just to kind of protect that area. That's interesting. Okay. Hold on. Let's turn this the other way. Let's move to the concrete. Then we don't have to worry about getting it on the rug. We're taking this screw out. We're over here with the concrete now. Make sure you get your bucket. Anything will work. Just there's not gonna be much that will come out, but there'll be a little bit. Once again, put your rag down right here to kind of just dry up most of it. And we will loosen this. See, it's gonna drip a little bit. There's nothing you can do about it. Just try to take it out fast. Well, okay, I messed up. I didn't take the radiator cap off, so there was no air pushing the water out. That's why it was just a little trickle. It's okay. We learn as we go. It's a simple mistake. I knew I should have done it too. So now we got that going. See how it's flowing now? You actually got air going through there. So come on girl. See, there we go. See how we got air going in there? It actually went. Some of this excess fluid soaked up. It's flowing through here. Make sure you do keep an eye on it because it will do one of these. So, alright, now that it's done doing that, it's going to drip. Let me get another rag. Actually, I use a more dirty one. Alright, let me dry up the floor here real quick. Clean off our thing here. Make sure you keep track of your bolts too, by the way. It's crucial. Next thing we're gonna do, just get you a bottle of water. We're gonna flush it just to make sure all the new things are compatible and everything. So get our bucket down here. It is gonna flow pretty good. Not the best at getting this in here. Make sure all that water drains through. Okay. Now that it's completely drained out, only thing left in there is it's clean now. It's reset now. Now what we're gonna do is put our bolt back in. Make sure your bolt is clean. Put it back in here. Make sure we get that finger tight. Make sure you always start your bolts before you torque them down, so you do not strip them out. There we go. That's good. Now let's clean up our mess on the floor. Now we actually have our cap and everything, our bolt put back in and everything. Take our engine ice right here, engine ice coolant. Make sure it should be pretty much versatile, but just start pouring it in. You actually see the overflow there. It will come out that little tube right there. I think we are good to go. And just a good way to measure is just it's like right at the brim. So put the cap back on your coolant. Give it a little shake and make sure. Our gas. So, yep, we are good. Now get your cap back on there the best you can. You might have to pull your radiator shroud back a little bit. I like how this cap says never open when hot. Like, who in their right mind would open it when the engine was hot? Because your radiator cools your actual engine off. So trying to get this cap tight. There we go. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna let that sit in there. It should be fine. But I second guess myself a lot, even though I know I did it proper, the right way and everything. So yeah, that sums it up for what we did here. If you guys did like what you watched and would like to see more of it, I suggest you head over here where you can subscribe and go to the channel. And if you're a recurring viewer, click over here for a video recommended for you if you've not already watched it. So yeah, pretty basic. I did mess up a little bit, but mistakes happen, you know. So yeah, thank you for watching. Pretty chill video. So yeah, have a good day, and remember, there's a purpose. Peace.